Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Armand if you are new on this channel, and today we are going to make a round in Cala. Why? Because we are on the 2nd of August and it's a big party in Cala. Let's see how it is. Let's make a round. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this, you know when I'm posting a new video. Let's go around, let's see how it's looking, let's see how busy it is. Okay, we're starting from the bus station. If you want to go to Palma, there is the bus station, and from there you can go in another directions. When you come from Palma, is coming, they let you here. If you want to go back, you go on that side. We are in Cala. Let's go around, let's see how it's looking. We are close to the center. From there, from the bus station, I think is around about 3 minutes walking till exactly in the center. Let's make a quick round. For sure we'll be super busy. I don't know how long will be this party, but I know it's starting on 1st of August. I think it's a week. And on the last day will be a big fireworks. Will be amazing. Last year was, I think, half an hour. Maybe this year is longer, maybe shorter. Let's see. Okay, almost we are there. We are going here on the right and we are there. I will need to put some more music on the video because will be a lot of noise and I will come talk. Okay, it's starting from here. Already there are a lot of people, it's super busy. Here you have an ice cream shop on the corner. There is the taxi station. But in the day I was waiting like 2 hours and they come just 2 taxis. In the day, if you come in Cala, in August, forget about taxis. Try to move around with the buses or with your own car, or you rent a car. Here is the stage. I don't know if it's something tonight. They start to prepare now, but I don't know what time will be starting the party. Here will be some drinks, food. Over there you have one of the clubs, it's English club. Over there you have Buddha. It's a local club. Here will be happening everything. Yeah, will be something tonight because they prepared the stage for a DJ or something. This is the entry in the club. They have also a nice terrace outside. Okay, let's go. It's another Irish pub, I think, Dugan's. I'll show you the short way. It's 9 and 2 minutes. It's not so busy.
Venid aquí que ahora vamos a ir a jugar, perdona.
No pasa nada. Here you have also another club, but I don't know how busy it is. Here is Dugan's. Over there you have Tiempo. What is empty? Okay, go back. Not too much to see on this side. There you have Lola. The restaurants, they are packed with people. People, they are waiting on the queues for the restaurants. It's a queue for the rustic. Let's go in the other side. Let's see how it's looking. La Papa is an Italian restaurant. Because usually there is a queue, a long queue. It's full everywhere. Look at that queue in La Papa. It's like for around about 10 meters. It's starting here. It's huge. Look at this one. All these people, they are waiting for the La Papa. Let's go on another street. And we are stopping at the Burger King. Cala is starting to be so busy on the center. On the other side, it's not looking so busy because everybody's here, like completely everybody. I don't know how it's going, what happened, but this year is a little bit strange here. Also with the tourists starting to be a little bit low. In the other side of the island, in Soler, is super empty. It's less with 50% of the tourists from the last year there. Here is quiet, alright. Okay, let's go on this street till the end, and after we go at the Burger King to show also that way. And I think there we finish with the video. On this street is not so busy. Just that one with the restaurants is looking quite busy. The shops here, not too many people. Wow. I like this shop here, they are with sweets. It's looking quite nice. Okay, here is the only place where you can find frozen yogurt in Cala. Or I'm not sure. Wait, don't say something else. But it's a good one. And it's quite busy. Okay, here is starting to be a little bit busier. Okay guys, and here is the Burger King. It's exactly the middle of Cala. And here you arrive back to the stage where is the party, where I show from where we start with all the things what happen in Cala, where will be the party. Okay guys, this was the video of today. I hope you enjoy it. If you like to support me, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this, you know when I post a new video. And of course, if you like, you can share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.